This is every Brazilian aircraft currently serving across the Air Force, Army Aviation, and Naval Aviation. Fighters, attack aircraft, surveillance platforms, maritime patrol aircraft, transports, helicopters, trainers, and drones. Some modern, some decades old, and some built entirely in Brazil. First up, fighters and attack aircraft. Saab JAS-39 Gripen EF, this multi-role fighter is the newest combat aircraft in Brazilian service. Developed jointly by Sweden and Brazil, it combines advanced avionics, AESA radar, and long-range missile capability. The aircraft entered service in 2021 and is gradually becoming the backbone of Brazil's future fighter fleet. This is the Northrop F-5EM Tiger II. Originally introduced in the 1970s, this fighter received extensive modernization through Embraer and Elbit systems. Upgraded radar, avionics, and weapons systems have kept it operational for decades. Despite its age, it remains an important interceptor while newer fighters continue entering service. Next, the AMX A1M, designed jointly by Brazil and Italy, this strike aircraft specializes in ground attack missions. Modernization added new radar, digital cockpits, and improved navigation systems. Although nearing retirement, it continues providing precision strike capability and valuable operational experience within the Brazilian Air Force. Now this is the Embraer A29 Super Tucano. Built in Brazil, this turboprop aircraft performs light attack, close air support, and border surveillance missions. It combines long endurance with low operating costs and modern avionics. The Super Tucano has become one of Brazil's most successful military aircraft exports worldwide. Next up, surveillance and intelligence aircraft. Embraer E99. This airborne early warning and control aircraft is based on the ERJ-145 platform. Equipped with the ERI radar system, it can detect and track aircraft hundreds of kilometers away. The E99 serves as a key command and control asset within Brazil's integrated air defense network. This is the Embraer R99. Designed for signals intelligence and electronic surveillance missions, it gathers information across large areas using specialized sensors. The aircraft operates as part of the SIVAM monitoring system. Its advanced reconnaissance equipment supports border security and strategic intelligence collection operations. Next, the Embraer RC-95 Bandeirante. This surveillance aircraft is derived from Brazil's successful EMB-110 platform. It performs observation and monitoring missions over remote regions and coastal areas. Reliable turboprop engines and mission equipment allow it to support a variety of national security operations. Now this is the Learjet RC-35. Adapted from a business jet design, this aircraft performs airborne surveillance and intelligence missions. Its high speed and long range enable rapid deployment across Brazil's vast territory. The RC-35 remains an important platform for information gathering and operational support. Continuing with maritime patrol aircraft. Embraer P-95 Bandeirante. This maritime patrol aircraft is based on the EMB-110 platform and is used to monitor Brazil's extensive coastline. Equipped with search, radar, and surveillance systems, it conducts patrol and search missions. The aircraft provides an economical solution for routine maritime security operations. This is the Lockheed P-3AM Orion. Originally developed in the United States, this long-range maritime patrol aircraft was extensively modernized for Brazilian service. It carries advanced sensors, sonobuoys, and anti-submarine warfare equipment. With endurance exceeding 17 hours, it remains Brazil's premier ocean surveillance platform. Continuing with transport and tanker aircraft. Embraer KC-390 Millennium. This twin-engine jet transport is one of Brazil's most advanced military aircraft. It can carry cargo, vehicles, troops, and medical evacuation equipment while also performing aerial refueling missions. Entering service in 2019, it is steadily replacing older transport aircraft across the fleet. This is the Airbus KC-30. Based on the A330-200 airliner, this aircraft performs strategic transport and VIP missions. Its long range allows non-stop flights across continents. The KC-30 supports government travel, international deployments, and large-scale transport requirements for the Brazilian Air Force. Next, the Casa C-295 designated C-105 in Brazilian service. This tactical transport aircraft is used for cargo delivery, troop transport, and search and rescue operations. Its ability to operate from short and unprepared runways makes it valuable in remote regions throughout Brazil. Now this is the Embraer C-95 Bandeirante. One of the most numerous aircraft in Brazilian service, it handles utility and regional transport missions. Developed domestically by Embraer, the aircraft has served for decades. Its reliability has made it a familiar sight throughout the country. Embraer C-97 Brasilia. This turboprop transport aircraft is used for personnel movement and utility missions. Offering greater speed and capacity than the Bandeirante, it supports military and governmental transportation needs. Several examples also operate in VIP configurations for official travel duties. This is the Embraer VC-2. Based on the Embraer 190 regional jet, it serves as a dedicated VIP transport aircraft. Modern avionics, high cruising speed, and passenger comfort make it suitable for government missions. The aircraft is regularly used for domestic and international official travel. Next, the Cessna C-98 Caravan. This light utility aircraft operates extensively in remote regions, particularly within the Amazon basin. Its rugged design allows operations from short airstrips with limited infrastructure. The aircraft supports transport, liaison, and logistical missions across difficult terrain. Now this is the Embraer VC-99. Derived from the ERJ-145 regional jet, it serves in the VIP transport role. Its combination of speed, efficiency, and operational flexibility makes it useful for government transportation. The aircraft supports a wide range of official domestic and international missions. Up next, the Embraer U-100. This utility and VIP transport aircraft provides flexible support for military and governmental operations. Compact dimensions and efficient turboprop engines allow economical operation. Although small in number, it continues serving important transportation duties within the Brazilian Air Force. Next up, Air Force helicopters. Eurocopter EC-725 Caracal H-36. This medium-lift helicopter serves as the primary transport helicopter of the Brazilian Air Force. Built locally by Helibras, it carries troops, cargo, and rescue teams over long distances. Its modern avionics and powerful engines allow operations in demanding environments across Brazil. This is the Eurocopter EC-135 VH-35. Used mainly for VIP transportation missions, this light twin-engine helicopter combines efficiency with operational flexibility. Its compact size allows access to locations where larger aircraft cannot operate. The VH-35 supports governmental and military transportation requirements throughout the country. Next, the Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk H-60. This utility helicopter performs troop transport, logistical support, and special operations missions. Known worldwide for durability and versatility, it has become an important asset within the Brazilian Air Force. Additional aircraft on order will further expand the fleet. Continuing with trainers and unmanned aircraft. Northrop F-5 FM Tiger II. This two-seat version of the F-5 serves as an advanced jet trainer for Brazilian fighter pilots. Modernized with updated avionics and radar systems, it helps prepare crews for frontline aircraft. The F-5 FM remains an important bridge toward advanced fighter operations. This is the Embraer T-27 Tucano. Entering service in 1983, this turboprop trainer has educated generations of Brazilian military pilots. Its reliable design and light attack capability provide valuable flexibility. The aircraft also laid the foundation for the later and more advanced Super Tucano. Next, the Neva T-25M Universal. This piston-engine aircraft is Brazil's primary basic trainer and the most numerous aircraft in the training fleet. Student pilots begin their military flying careers in this platform. Modernization programs have ensured the aircraft remains effective for future training requirements. Now this is the Eurocopter AS-350H-50. Used for rotary wing instruction, this helicopter trains future military helicopter pilots. Its straightforward handling characteristics and dependable performance make it well suited for training duties. Additional aircraft on order will strengthen Brazil's helicopter training capacity. Elbit Hermes 450. This tactical unmanned aerial vehicle conducts reconnaissance and intelligence missions across large areas. Long endurance and multiple sensor options allow extended surveillance operations. The Hermes 450 provides valuable real-time information for security, border monitoring, and military planning activities. This is the Elbit Hermes 900. Larger and more capable than the Hermes 450, this drone offers greater endurance and payload capacity. It can remain airborne for extended periods while carrying advanced surveillance equipment. The aircraft supports persistent intelligence gathering over vast operational areas. Next, the IAI Heron. This medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aircraft is designed for strategic reconnaissance missions. Its combination of endurance, range, and sensor capability makes it one of the most capable drones in Brazilian service. The Heron supports surveillance operations both inland and along coastal regions. Next up, Brazilian Army Aviation. Sikorsky UH-60L Black Hawk HM2. This utility helicopter supports troop transport, logistics, and operational mobility missions for the Brazilian Army. Although only a small number remain in service, they continue performing important tasks. The fleet is scheduled to be replaced by newer UH-60M helicopters. This is the Eurocopter AS-550 Fennec HA-1A, a light helicopter assembled in Brazil by Helibras. It performs liaison, reconnaissance, and light support missions. Its compact size and maneuverability make it useful across a variety of operational environments. Armed variants can also carry cannons and rocket pods. Next, the Eurocopter AS-565 Panther HM-1A. This twin-engine utility helicopter transports personnel and equipment while supporting a range of military missions. Locally assembled examples form a significant portion of Army aviation. The aircraft combines reliable performance with the flexibility required for field operations. Now this is the Eurocopter AS-532 Cougar HM3. Designed as a medium transport helicopter, it carries troops and cargo across long distances. The Cougar has supported Brazilian Army operations for years. Although still active, the type is gradually moving toward eventual retirement from service. Eurocopter EC-725 Caracal HM4. This advanced transport helicopter represents one of the most capable rotary-wing platforms in Brazilian military service. Built in Brazil through Helibras, it offers improved range, payload, and mission flexibility. The Caracal continues expanding its role across Army aviation operations. Finally, Brazilian Naval Aviation. McDonnell Douglas A4KU Skyhawk. This carrier-based fighter originally served with Kuwait before being acquired and modernized by Brazil. Today it operates from land bases following the retirement of Brazil's aircraft carrier. Despite its age, the aircraft continues providing light attack and fighter capabilities. This is the Sikorsky SH-16 Seahawk. Designed for anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare, this naval helicopter operates from Brazilian warships. Equipped with sonobuoys, torpedoes, and advanced sensors, it helps protect maritime interests. The Seahawk remains one of the Navy's most capable combat helicopters. Next, the Westland Lynx Mk-21A. This naval helicopter specializes in anti-ship and anti-submarine missions. Known for its speed and agility, it has served Brazil for decades. Modernized examples continue supporting fleet operations while carrying missiles, torpedoes, and other maritime warfare equipment. Now this is the Eurocopter EC-725 Caracal UH-15. Adapted for naval operations, it performs transport, search and rescue, and maritime support missions. Different variants are configured for specialized tasks, including armed operations. Its long range and payload capacity make it highly valuable for naval aviation. Eurocopter AS-350 Acuruil UH-12. This light utility helicopter supports training, transport, and general operational duties. Its versatility has allowed widespread use throughout Brazilian military aviation. The Navy continues operating the type while preparing for future fleet expansion through newer helicopter acquisitions. This is the Airbus H135 UH-35. A modern light twin-engine helicopter, it supports utility and transport missions within the Naval Aviation branch. Compact dimensions and efficient performance allow flexible deployment. The UH-35 complements larger helicopters by handling missions requiring speed and operational economy. Next, the Bell 206 Jetranger IH-6. This helicopter serves primarily as a naval trainer for future rotary-wing pilots. Simple handling characteristics and dependable operation make it suitable for instruction. Although replacement plans exist, the aircraft continues playing a key role in pilot training. Finally, the TA-4KU Skyhawk. This two-seat trainer version of the A4 provides advanced jet instruction for naval aviators. Sharing the same basic design as the combat variant, it prepares pilots for operational missions. The aircraft remains an important component of Brazil's naval aviation training system.